Hey babes, welcome back to my channel once again, and happy new year's to all my subscribers, my viewers, everyone. So for today's video, it is going to be a little bit different. As you guys can see, I already went in and did my face off camera, and you guys already know I usually do my face on camera unless I am going to strictly just talk about my eyes, and that's what I'm going to do today. I did receive some couple of DMs on my Instagram asking me how to make their eyeshadows pop a little bit more, so I am going to be showing you guys like how it is to apply some base on your eyes versus, you know, not applying anything. So if you guys are interested in knowing what this is all about, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I am gonna apply some base right here. I did run out of my P. Louise base. That's my go-to every time for all my looks. But since I ran out, I have been using the Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer, and this one's in the shade 03 Medium Light. Okay, so the palette that I will be using for these looks is going to be the James Charles palette. Of course, it's my favorite. And why not? I mean, it's like super pigmented and colorful. Okay, so it's not really going to be like an eye look. I'm just going to be showing you guys. So if it doesn't like match the colors together, don't pay attention. Just showing you guys how vibrant they would look on base versus not applying no base at all and still applying the eyeshadow. Okay, so I think I'm going to take this color first, this dark purple. I think I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit. Okay, so I am going in with that dark purple, and as you guys can see, I'm just tapping. And that's how I start off all my looks. I start tapping and then going into circular motions or wiper motions. I always make sure to go in with the tapping motion first, just to get the most pigmentation. So this is my trick. I mean, it's not really a trick or a secret because a lot of makeup artists do it. But a lot of girls are just used to like going in right away and doing circular motions, and that's what loses the pigmentation. And that's what a lot of girls don't understand. So you guys see it's pretty pigmented. Versus on this side, it's still pretty good actually, but nothing compared to the other side with base. I used to never, like whenever I barely started doing makeup, I would never ever apply any base or any concealer, nothing. And I just thought, you know, like I was the coolest with my makeup, having it so nice and pigmented. Once I started being more into makeup, that's whenever I started knowing like about all these like concealers and bases and stuff. Okay, so I'm trying to pack as much as I can, and I think that's all we're getting. It's actually pretty pigmented still, and that's because I didn't apply anything, no foundation, no nothing on there. But you guys can see the difference. Like right here, it's really dark, like a really pretty plum. And over here, it's like a purple, but it's not as defined as this one. Okay, now going back to the side with the base, I am applying the pink shadow. Okay, so it's not going to be really blended. I'm just showing you guys the pigmentation like I said, so don't mind the blendingness, if that's even a word. Okay, now going on this side. So I'm like really packing it on this. I'm really trying, and that's the most pigmentation that I'm going to get. If not, it's going to start like breaking off, or not breaking off, falling off, and just looks really ugly. I don't know if that's happened to you guys, that you guys just apply more eyeshadow just to get the more pigmentation that you're going for, and it just seems like the more that you're applying, it's just like coming off, and that's what's gonna happen on this side. So now I'm taking the blue. I think what's really helping is that that palette is really pigmented. If not, it would look a lot worse. Now taking the yellow, I'm going in with a different brush. Oh my god, it looks ugly because it's not blended, but the pigmentation is really, really good. So again, don't mind me, I'm not blending the colors together. I'm just showing you guys. Remember whenever I was younger, whenever I barely started doing makeup, I would never blend my colors, and I just thought, you know, like by having all these bright colors, your makeup looks so bomb. Okay, now going on this side. Okay, so you guys can see this side is a little bit more pigmented than this side. This side doesn't have no base, like I said. It's still pigmented. I didn't think it was gonna be this pigmented, but like I said, the palette is just like super pigmented. It's really, really good. That's why it's my favorite right now at the moment. And I think that's what's helping this side, because if it was like another palette, it would have been a big mess. You guys can even see like on this brow, it's a little bit darker than this one, and that's because I did apply base under it and I highlighted it. If I would have highlighted it, oh my god, that's hard to say. But I didn't apply nothing on this brow, so I mean, just, you know, I just filled it in. But other than that, I didn't apply anything. And you can actually tell, like, this one's more colorful, more brighter, more bolder, and this one's just kind of like, you know, just there. Going on with that purple. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics brush number 6. This one's my favorite little detailed brush to pack on like colors, like right here in the inner corner or like down here on the waterline. It works really, really good. What I always like to do, I don't know if you guys have noticed, like if you guys follow me on my Instagram or like here on my videos, I always like to apply a color like right here on my waterline, which, you know, could be white, could be red, whatever color, green, blue, whatever color. It just always makes my eyes pop out a little bit more, especially whenever I go and edit my pictures, just to kind of, you know, brighten up the color. So as you guys can see, you guys can already see it different. Of course, this one's gonna pop out a lot more and it's gonna look bigger just because I did apply that white liner. I usually, like I said, I usually apply whatever color just to make my eyes pop a little bit more. And then I always, I could never go without applying any lashes. I don't know, I just feel like the lashes just opens up my eye a lot more, makes my eye more dramatic. Or even if you're going for like a softer look, it just opens up your eye and it just makes it really, really pretty. Because I didn't apply no concealer right here under my waterline. I do have concealer down here, but not right here, right strictly under my waterline, just so I can show you guys how it would look without having no concealer. Okay, so as you guys can see, this eye is popping a lot more than this one. This one seems like it's ready to go to the club, and this one's just like, oh, I'm gonna stay home, I'm not gonna do anything. Just looks really, really sad compared to this one. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys kind of understood what I was trying to say, you know, on how to get it more pigmented. So real quick, again, always apply some base or concealer. Make sure that it's not oily or that it's wet, because if it is, that's what's gonna make your eyeshadow just like look really clumpy and just like really nasty. But like I said, if you do grab a sponge like how I did and just, you know, kind of just press on it, that'll take the oiliness away and it'll help out a lot. Versus you just right away going in and it's just gonna look really, really oily and ugly. So that is pretty much the #1 reason that my eyeshadows usually pop, is because, you know, I apply the concealer, the base, and I never ever apply any translucent powder or any like eyeshadow that's close to my skin color just to set the concealer. I never do that. I used to always do that. And second, as you guys already know, everybody edits their pictures. I never ever mess with my eyes, just because I just feel like that's my art, that's what I create, and I don't want somebody to come or me to go to somebody and they ask me like, oh, okay, I want this exactly this look, and it's like really edited and I know that I can't get it just because it's really edited. Like, that would be so embarrassing and it would just suck. So I never ever mess with my eyes. The only thing that I do to my eyes is, sorry, that sounded kind of weird. The only thing that I do to my eyes is brighten up the color. That's it. I just feel like if you do edit your eyes, you're just pretty much cheating yourself, because that's not even your art. But if you guys have any more questions, go ahead and comment down below or DM me and I'll answer you guys as soon as possible. If you guys have any more questions like on other looks, or how to do like a certain look, or how to apply lashes like step by step, or, you know, just whatever you guys have, let me know and I'll get you guys a video up as soon as I can. But this is it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to before you guys do leave this video, and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, babes!